Hi everybody, welcome back to another trek, and I'm at Dunsdon National Nature Reserve in Devon, an area of woodland and calm grassland, quite a rare habitat these days. And I'm here especially for scarce butterfly, the gorgeous Marsh Fritillary. I come here most years and I'm either too early or too late. So we're mid-May, the weather's fantastic, nice and warm, just right for them to be emerging. But they've got a short flight period, the adults. It's only mid-May to mid-June, so the timing has got to be perfect. But it's definitely a perfect day, so I'm gonna have a look around, keep our fingers crossed. I haven't seen them for a few years, so hoping so. So, whew, I've seen one just basking, making the most of the warm sunshine. So that's a good sign, they're definitely about. But just the one at the moment. But one's better than nothing. Fantastic. So I've seen a couple. One was very mobile, flying around, and one was on its food plant, which is the devil's bit scabious, which is their main food plant. And it looked like it was probably about to lay eggs. Always looking for a place to lay eggs. The females will mate normally within an hour of emergence. The legs are already ready, they just need to be fertilised, so they will lay them quite quickly. The caterpillars then hatch later on in the summer and go through a molting stage, ready for winter, where they'll spin a silky web for protection low down in the vegetation, on or very close to the food plant, and they'll hibernate through the winter to emerge in the spring. It's a fantastic butterfly, absolutely gorgeous butterfly. Really pleased to see them. So yeah, only a couple, but we'll give it a little bit longer, see if we can get any more. I've got a few shots, but obviously I'm not getting too close. It's the beauty of having the 100-500 lens. Can really zoom in on it without losing any of the quality. But they were quite low down in the vegetation, so there was a lot of grass in the way. But I did get a few shots using the single spot focus, try and get through the vegetation. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, the Marsh Fritillary needs some habitat management in order for colonies to thrive. You can see where the gorse has been burnt off here, which they do carefully and at the right time to stop it taking over, shading the ground and then stopping the devil's bit scabious from growing. But yeah, it's a scarce butterfly now. It's confined really to the western side of the UK, the southwest, Wales and Ireland. They use grazing as well, sometimes, to keep the vegetation down. But it's good to see them here. There we are, going to leave the Marsh Fritillaries be to go about their business and thrive, hopefully. There's only been a couple, but a couple's good. Let's hope there's many more. They could be emerging all the time now. So that's great news. Yeah, it's lovely to see them. I haven't seen them for a few years, so delighted with that. So from a glorious Dunsdon, thanks ever so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again.